Sarcos Robots. The company Sarcos Robotics is actively engaged in the production of robots that can greatly simplify and protect human life. So, the Guardian GT model was recently introduced. It's controlled by the user via an exoskeleton controller and VR glasses. The developers created the robot so that it could be controlled easily and comfortably. Its dimensions, as well as the distance between the elements, are proportional to the human body. In addition, the exoskeleton is equipped with a feedback system. When the robot touches or lifts objects, the operator feels a proportional load on the arms. This design allows reducing the number of accidents, while performing various dangerous jobs. The Guardian XO is also an exoskeleton, but it has a different function, to increase the strength and endurance of the operator. This allows the user to perform work that wouldn't have been possible without the exoskeleton. The Robot Guardian S is a robot designed for surveillance and inspection. It has good cross-country ability, overcomes obstacles, and climbs stairs. Compact dimensions allow the robot to move inside pipes and tanks, even vertically. In the future, the creators are going to equip the robot with limbs, which will be able, for example, to disarm explosive devices. FlexiPave. At the moment, the process of caring for trees in cities is not perfect. The earth is covered with metal bars so that it doesn't scatter around when it's raining. However, it is difficult to clean under the bars. In addition, trees tend to expand, raising the bars and deforming pedestrian paths. FlexiPave is able to solve this problem. It's made from recycled tires, and the material easily allows water to pass through it, filtering it at the same time. It's noteworthy that the use of FlexiPave is 3 times cheaper than putting metal bars on the ground. At the same time, secondary materials are used for coating, which allows to reduce pollution of the environment. Besides the maintenance of trees, FlexiPave can be used instead of usual asphalt. For example, the Yellowstone Park roads have already been replaced. The resulting surface absorbs water, distributes it in rain or snow so that there are no puddles. Using FlexiPave helps maintain the fragile ecosystem of the national park. Cool pavement. In hot regions, the air temperature in cities is much higher than outside the city. The reason for this is the roads made from the traditional, dark asphalt. It's able to accumulate the sun's rays and then re-emit them into excess heat. To solve this problem, cool pavement was invented. It's a light surface that reflects the sun's rays and accumulates much less heat than traditional asphalt. Accordingly, such a road surface produces less heat and doesn't create additional heating in the hot streets of the city. On average, the difference in temperature between the usual coating and cool pavement on a sunny day is 10 degrees Celsius. All-seeing cameras. In recent years, Chinese experts have been working on a very ambitious project. These are surveillance cameras capable of recognizing the gender of people, their age, and also clothing in real time. In addition, these cameras are also capable of recognizing the type of vehicles in the frame. The cameras are located around the city. The recording shows special tags around every moving object. The car can be assigned a tag passenger or cargo. In humans, the program calculates age, gender, clothing, and puts on tags, for example, dress or sleeveless. It's worth noting that they're currently developing special glasses that can recognize faces, objects, and then tag them. Such a system is part of China's population control program, and it helps to know where everyone is and what they're doing. PaveGen. Not only solar energy can be used to generate electricity. Developers of the PaveGen panel system have come up with an innovative approach, an offer to create electricity from the most ordinary human steps. Panels are installed on sidewalks and pedestrian roads. Every time a person walks through the panel, the built-in technology captures the kinetic energy of the steps and then creates electrical energy from it. The more people pass through the panels, the more energy is produced. One step on the panel generates enough energy to light the lamp for about 20 seconds. Thus, installing panels in busy areas will help illuminate the streets and even houses. Today, the technology is used in approximately 9 countries, and there are about 200 panels installed around the world. Restriping System (LIS). What you see is ancillary equipment, which is used to reapply road markings. The machine, called LIS, was developed by the Belarusian company STIM. Every year, there's a need to reapply millions of kilometers of markup in the world. The usual way is long, time-consuming, and requires certain skills and knowledge of the driver, as the accuracy of the car's movement is adjusted up to centimeters. That is why the LIS is equipped with a smart laser system. It allows you to apply the markup automatically, repeating the lines already applied with minimum error. The equipment represents a set of the latest achievements in the field of electronics, laser technology, pneumatics, and mechanics. Using such a machine allows not only to increase the accuracy of work, but also significantly increases its speed. Road jetter. To clean roads with high-pressure water, you need a truck, for example a Scania, and special attachments. It has special nozzles supplied with water from a massive water tank attached to the truck. Such a machine can be used for cleaning roads and parking areas. A wide band of nozzles creates a continuous line of water. This design allows coping with dirt, even in a vast area, in a short amount of time. It easily removes persistent mud. Dirt that's been on some surface for years and is extremely difficult to remove in other ways is scraped off in seconds. TSM Ariamatic and Aria. This is a specialized equipment designed for high-speed garbage collection from streets and sidewalks. These machines, called the Ariamatic and Aria, are produced by the Italian company TSM. The main feature of such equipment is silent operation, despite the fact that cleaning is done by a vacuum. This allows you to use the vacuum cleaner for both industrial and municipal waste disposal at any time of the day. The Air model is equipped with a powerful filtration system, thanks to which only clean air gets to the environment from the vacuum cleaner. The Ariamatic model has an autonomous driving system. It watches the operator's actions, and after which the car is able to move independently. Also, the car is equipped with an object recognition system to avoid collision with objects and people. Aerone's firefighting drone. This equipment was created by Latvian specialists of Aerones Limited. Equipped with a hose, this drone can climb to a height exceeding the height of the ladder of a truck. In addition, this unmanned vehicle can work in hard-to-reach and too dangerous places for people. The use of this technology is especially important in cases where fire occurs on the upper floors of skyscrapers. The weight of the fire drone is 55 kilograms, and the width is 3 meters. With a cargo of up to 145 kilograms, the drones can work for 30 minutes. But this number depends on weather conditions. Battery replacement takes about 15 minutes, and a full charge time is 90 minutes. According to the experts, with the help of such equipment, it's possible to extinguish a fire at an altitude of up to 400 meters.